Hey guys, another more vlog. Ngayon, magre-review tayo ng isang action camera, which is isa sa mga budget-friendly action camera. To be exact, it is SJCAM. Alright, this is SJCAM 4000 Air, an action camera with 4K resolution. Black yung color natin dito. Of course, nakakararo sticker na yan. Siyempre. So, ano bang mga specs nito? So, kasama dito sa box, includes mga box. Kasama dito, the camera itself, the waterproof case, 2 mounts, one straight. Okay, this is a straight mount para mag-extend yung camera mo at yung mount mo mismo. And another one, but opposite. Yung straight yung simula, yung next naman na part is yung kanan. Okay, and the adjustable, yung tinatawag na adjustable doon sa mount itself. Right? So, specs sa camera nito, it has a wide angle lens with 170 degrees. Okay? Napaka-wide na yan. The image resolution is 16 MP, 12 MP, 8 MP, 5 MP, and 2 MP. That's the image resolution niya. Video quality is 4K. You can shot 4K with 30 FPS and 2.7K with 30 FPS with 1080 with 60 to 30 FPS and 720 with 60 and 30 FPS. Alright. So, format niya is MOV. Compression is H.264. Storage niya is micro SD, yung maliit na card. Connection is USB 2.0 and Wi-Fi itself. May tawag ito. Yun. You can download the app through here kung bibili kayo ng isang SJCAM. So, operating system niya is Windows XP, Service Pack 2, or later. And sa iOS naman, it's Mac OS X 10.4L or less, right? That's our specs for our action cam. Alright? So, yeah. You can shoot 4K resolution with 30 FPS, okay? So, high quality camera. Okay. Nakalagay dito, simple design, lightweight, HD recording, restore every detail. Tignan natin sa action nito. Okay, that's all. So, maganda ng packaging. Nagka-wrinkles lang dahil sa pag-deliver. So, thank you so much. This is sponsored, by the way. They will not be mentioned, as they say. Thank you so much. I know, nanonood po kayo from Manila. So thankful kayo. Super thankful ako. Right? So mag-unboxing tayo, syempre. Ganon. Ganon pala. Parang bagong phone lang. Yun. So ito yung box. Parang bagong phone. Bagong phone. So, parang bagong phone lang. Ganyan to. Kailangan nyo pa taas. Alright. Tabi natin dito. Yun. Ganda. Maganda guys. Yan o. Okay. So, to open this, may lever dito. Hilahin mo. Then, papataas mo dito. Yun. May click siya. Ipapalabas natin yung mismong cam. Ita-try natin to part 2 mismo. Gagawa tayo ng part 2 nito. Yung action mismo ng or performance ng camera. Okay. Medyo ayaw ito matanggal Yun. So ito yung waterproof case ng free ng camera. Okay? So ito yung SJCAM na 4000 Okay? 4,000 air. Okay? May salupin pa dito. At sa likod. Okay? Probably, I think kung tama ko. Check natin to. Check natin yung manual. Sabi yung manual ito. Same lang ata ng mga battery ito. Hindi ko sure. So, let's open the accessories. So, ito yung accessory box. Tabi natin din to. Tabi natin tinatabi So, this is an accessory box. So, like I mentioned, yung mga andito. Okay. Okay. So, may tumatawag. Hindi mo natin sasagutin yan. So, may kasama siyang wire for charging. Siyempre, wala yung plug. So, mga mounts, free mounts. Yan yung i-expect nyo na kasama dito. Alright. With SJCAM sticker. Yun, lalagyan natin ito sa motor natin. Siyempre. Okay. Then, the manual. Ngayon, fortunately, hindi pala kasama yung tawag nito. Yung mismong mount niya for outdoor. Okay, kasi ito outdoor din to, pero majority ginagamit to for underwater. Okay? Yan yung purpose niyan. So, wala siya. Hindi siya kasali. Mga brand new accessories dito. Tabi natin yan. Scan natin yung app. Sorry. May tumatawag. Hindi muna natin sasagutin yan kasi marami pa tayong di-discuss dito. So ito, manual. Babasahin ko na lang ito mamaya. And part 2 ko na sasabihin kung anong meron at anong function ng camera. For itself, hindi mo natin iti-test kung ano yung resolution nito. I will play later on. Then wait for part 2 for live mismo kung anong performance ng SJCAM. Right? That's all for today. I'm just unpacking this camera itself. Then the review itself, I want it personally na gawin natin sa labas. Okay? So, always like and subscribe to my channel. Follow up me on Facebook page para updated kayo sa mga araw-araw kong pinapost bago ako mag-post sa Facebook. Okay? Always, ride safe. Peace out.